everyone! Sitting at home 24/7, I thought cleaning up my computer would be a good idea. And I came across some unpublished footage from our last Korea trips. So I asked you guys if you'd like to see a compilation of some yet unpublished memories. And since you were all up for it, I made this one for you. This is part 1 of 2. Enjoy! So we decided to rent tandem bikes, as we already did before, but Bengt, glaubst du, es funktioniert?
Nö, das denke ich nicht. Es kommt drauf an, mit wem ich auf dem Fahrrad sitze.
Ich glaube, wir sitzen zusammen.
Also
und du fährst vorne.
Wenn ich mit Myoungki auf dem Fahrrad sitze, dann muss ich mich eigentlich hinten nur hinlegen und der macht das schon. Der hat, glaube ich, die Kraft.
Aber wenn wir zusammen fahren, musst du vorne.
Dann, ja.
Du musst auf jeden Fall vorne, weil,
egal,
ich kann das sonst nicht halten. Es ist zu schwer.
Auf dem Bike sitzt hinter mir und immer und ich steuere uns hier in den nächsten Kirschbaum.
Bengt sieht ein bisschen angespannt aus.
Sonne.
On our way, we just found an open-air gym. It's amazing. Aren't you too tall for this? Too weak?
It's a massage.
Oh, massage room. It's actually nice.
It's too high.
Oh no! Oh, very nice.
That's for the shoulder muscle. Yeah, to make it relieving.
No.
It hurts. What? What did you get?
A shirt
Ooh,
for my girlfriend.
it's really cute. I wanted to get it as well, but they didn't have my size. Jongin and Myoungki went to the gym. They're really crazy to work out in that heat. And yeah, we decided to go shopping now. It's too much for you?
Too viel, too much. Way too much.
It's a bit confusing, right?
Von hinten sieht's aus wie Kermit.
Have you found something?
Yes!
Ooh. Okay guys, we're gonna continue with our shopping tour now, but I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hi! What are your plans?
We're gonna like ruin our self-esteem by getting our faces photoshopped. So I had this idea where, you know how like in the West, like if you want to get surgery, you don't really know what you're gonna look like afterwards. So like, oh, you'll kind of look like this or this and this. But here they actually Photoshop how exactly or kind of exactly how you'll look.
It's a great idea, but I don't know if I can do it. It's so scary.
Really? I'll do it first and then you can see how you feel.
Okay.
I'm pretty nervous.
Look up.
Often people tilt their heads to to like subconsciously correct
Yeah.
an imbalance.
Oh,
So he's actually tilting the screen to make it even because you tilt your head to overcorrect.
Very tiny hump here. It's not so prominent, but we're rasping it first. We elevate your nose tip and make it more bulbous tip, more slimmer.
Like if you don't like the length, then you can decrease the length, decrease the height.
I like.
Is it okay?
It's different.
Across Asian culture, pretty much a smaller face is what you want. Across Western culture, it's individual. So it would be up to you if you wanted it, and if you wanted it, you could have a reduction here
Yeah.
to make your face more
So
a
V-line?
little bit tighter.
Do whatever you feel like I need to be pretty.
You're pretty already.
The thing is, Annie is already pretty. Farina's pretty.
Thank you.
And you don't have to do surgery if you don't want to. But if you do want to do surgery, and if it's for you, like for yourself, then go for it. But you should never do surgery just because you think someone else wants you to do it, or you think someone else will think you're more beautiful. It's for you. Screenshot.
You like it too much?
I think I do.
But you look pretty already.
Stop it.
You don't need it.
Stop it.
No, serious.
Okay, let's do this.
De verdad es bien. Puede ser.
Correct.
I don't know, maybe the tip a bit.
Bulbous.
Yeah, a bit, maybe. I don't know, I didn't think about it yet.
The proportion is not bad.
Congratulations, you have not bad proportions.
Yay!
You got the bulbous tip here. You see? And you have the bulbous tip and the nostril asymmetry in the front, and as well as in the worm's eye view. Bump here. I also rasping it. Your nose is a little bit wrong, and the tip drooped.
Okay.
So we elevate your tip a little bit more rotated to the cephalic portion.
So now you give your opinion. Do you think it should be smaller, bigger, taller? What do you think?
I think it's pretty small now, actually.
Well, he'll do the overlay so you can see it.
Yeah.
Like that.
So you can see that although it might look a lot smaller,
Yeah.
it's not that much different, but it makes a big difference in your appearance.
I think I really didn't notice the bump before.
Yeah, me neither.
How will I look from the front? Can we do that as well? It's very interesting.
Nostril asymmetry will be corrected, and the bulbous tip was reduced, and make more a smooth line.
I think I look older.
Yeah, because if you have like a bulbous tip,
Yeah.
it makes you look kind of, in a way,
Babyish.
babyish, cute, kind of cute.
Okay.
But if you look this way, it makes you not older, but it makes you look more balanced.
Yeah.
And
So, baby Farina, a woman.
Would you do anything else?
Also,
it really depends on if you have a wide face or a small face. So if your face is small, you probably want more volume, and if your face is wide, you want less. That's how it works.
is it okay? It's a more slimmer face.
It looks pretty. It definitely looks pretty.
Yeah.
But I don't know if I could get used to it. You know?
You need time to get used to it.
Yeah. Okay, that was very interesting, right?
Eye-opening.
Yeah, really.
How do
But
you feel?
I don't know. I think I'm satisfied with my face, how it is. I mean, the changes were amazing, but
It's your
I think-
face.
yeah, I think I'll keep it this way. And you? You want to do it?
Kind of like the nose.
Yeah.
I mean, I think the like small face thing is a very Korean thing.
Yeah.
Never really thought about like the wideness of it, so I wouldn't
No.
change it. But the nose has always kind of been like a thing.
We're gonna have some lunch now.
Oh, so purple here in this
Oh, yeah.
light. I like, it's like a club. I like. Which kind do you want?
They even have a nap room in here. It's pretty crazy.